And I've got some breaking news. I've got this video that was sent to me by an astronomer called Ken, who does not want to have his full identity revealed because he fears for his safety. And he sent me this exclusive webcam footage from the Deakin ACT AllSky camera. And we can clearly see NIBIRU in the sky next to the sun at about a 4 o'clock position. And as we progress through the images, we can see NIBIRU crossing the sky, notably in the opposite direction to the sun, which is a bit of a mystery. But anyway, we can see NIBIRU progressing across the sky, and it is clearly there for all to see, even though when you go outside and look up in the sky, no one can see it. But the mysterious thing is that NIBIRU is apparently a lot smaller than we thought, because as it gets here, you can clearly see that it is going underneath the trees. It is a lot smaller than we thought, maybe a few meters across, and now it appears that NIBIRU has gone to bed. In all seriousness, folks, this is Daz the cameraman. Today is Friday, October 14th, 2016, and this is a look at the AllSky cameras, which we have been discussing in my Hangout with NIBIRU Planet X 2016, which was a very enjoyable hangout. My compliments to Scott for being such a gentleman. Now, these images from the AllSky cameras, normally when we look at these images from the allskycamera.com website, we see a maximum of, I think it's 6 images at a time, and you have to keep refreshing the page. However, back in December of 2015, I set up some software that would automatically download the latest images from a number of these AllSky cameras, so that I would have a complete uninterrupted sequence of images. And this is the result. Instead of seeing just 6 images at a time, where we just see what is supposed to be NIBIRU in the sky, and then we don't see the subsequent or previous images, we can see the full story. So obviously this is a lens flare, otherwise it wouldn't be in front of the tree. In other images that I could show you, we can actually see the lens flare down inside the camera housing, which would be impossible, of course. And if I go backwards the other way to where this started, to about... Okay, so the next frame, you'll notice that the sun on the left there is just emerging from the right-hand side of the trees. If I go back one more frame, you'll notice that NIBIRU has all but disappeared because the sun is obscured by the trees. And now NIBIRU is completely gone because the sun is obscured. Remember that most of what we see when we're looking at the sun in the sky is actually glare. The sun's disk is actually quite tiny. It's only half a degree across, which is the same size as the full moon, the same apparent angular size as the full moon. So most of what we see is glare. It's actually the bright sunlight being scattered through the atmosphere. So although we see quite a glow of the sun here, that is all glare. It is not until the sun's disk emerges from behind the trees that the lens flare becomes apparent, and as I say, we can see it tracking right through the trees. So I hope that has cleared that one up. If I get more time later, I might upload some more examples of these lens flares ending up on the ground and in trees and inside the camera housing. I had intended to make this video back in December or January when I downloaded these pictures, but other things were higher priority at the time and I didn't get around to it. So I hope that's cleared that up, and thank you for watching. Hello, this is Jeff P. Olson, and I've got some breaking news. I've got this video that was sent to me by an astronomer called Ken, who does not want to have his full identity revealed because he fears for his safety. And he sent me this exclusive webcam footage from the Deakin ACT AllSky camera. And we can clearly see NIBIRU in the sky next to the sun at about a 4 o'clock position. And as we progress through the images, we can see NIBIRU